Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make some super easy and delicious fish croquettes. I hope you can give them a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by cooking the potatoes in plenty of water. We're going to cook them on medium-high heat, and this will take about 30 to 40 minutes depending on the size of the potatoes. I cut the potatoes in half lengthwise to speed up the cooking process, but this step is optional. Now in another saucepan, I have plenty of boiling water on medium-high heat. The water is seasoned with salt to taste, and it also has 1 garlic clove and 2 bay leaves. We're going to cook the fish in this water for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's well cooked. It will cook in about 5 minutes. So once the fish is cooked, remove it from the water and place it in a bowl. Now we're going to shred the fish, and the fish should be really tender, so I'm only using 2 forks to shred it. And then after you shred it, you can taste the flavor and you can add more salt and pepper if needed. Once you're happy with the flavor, just set it aside until you're ready to use it. Over here I have the potatoes once they are ready. Once they are well cooked and tender, now we're going to remove them from the water and just let them cool down a little bit. And then after they have cooled down a little bit, now remove the skin from the potatoes. And as you can see, the skin is very easy to remove. I just peel it off and it will come off really easily. And I only let the potatoes cool down for a few minutes so they are still warm. So after you remove the skin from all the potatoes, now over the potatoes we're going to shred a garlic clove. And then we're going to season them with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. And also over the potatoes, we're going to add in the butter, and we will also add in the sour cream. Now we're going to use a masher to mash all the potatoes. You want the potatoes to turn into mashed potatoes. It will take a minute or two depending on how tender they are. So after you mash the potatoes, after you have mashed potatoes, now taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed. And once you're happy with the flavor, now we're going to add in the shredded fish and mix until well combined with the mashed potatoes. Once the fish and the mashed potatoes are well combined, now we're going to add in 1 egg. And once again toss everything together until the egg is well incorporated with the rest of the ingredients. And if you think that the mixture is too wet, feel free to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour. I think my mixture is perfect, so I won't be adding any flour at all. So now we're going to make the croquettes, and you can make them any size that you want. Just grab some of the potato fish mixture and roll it with your hands to make the ball or croquette, and just keep on doing this until you're done. Once they are done, we're going to freeze them for 15 minutes. Now to finish making the croquettes, now over here I have 2 eggs. I season them with salt and pepper to taste. And now we're just going to beat them until well beaten and then set them aside for a minute. Over here I have the croquettes. Remember, I froze them for 15 minutes. Now they are more solid than before. Now we're going to roll them on the flour. The flour is also seasoned with salt and pepper. And I will first cover all the croquettes with the flour mixture. So just roll them on the flour and make sure they are really well coated with the flour on all sides. And just keep on doing this until they are well coated with the flour. After that, now over here I have the breadcrumbs, and I also season them with salt and pepper to taste. Now we're going to cover the croquettes with the egg mixture. Remember, we previously covered them with the flour. So now we're going to cover them with the egg mixture on all sides. And then after they are well coated with the egg mixture, now tap them a little bit to remove the excess egg. And then transfer them to the breadcrumbs. Now we're going to roll them on the breadcrumbs to make sure they are really well coated with the breadcrumbs on all sides. And just keep on doing this until you have them all done. Remember, first we covered them with the flour, and then we covered them with the egg mixture, and then finally we're going to cover them with the breadcrumbs. Once they are ready, now preheat plenty of vegetable oil to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the oil is nice and hot, now we're going to fry the croquettes. We're going to fry a few croquettes at a time. And we're going to fry them until they are golden brown and crunchy on all sides. This will take about 3 minutes in total, and you're going to be stirring them frequently so they will get nice and brown on all sides. Once they are done, remove them from the oil and drain them on paper towels to remove the excess oil. And just keep on doing this until you're done. And once they are all done, this is how they look. They are nice and golden brown and crunchy on all sides. Now you can serve them, and you can serve them with your favorite sauce. And that's about it. Enjoy! To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and everywhere. So all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!